Hello, friends. Welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Today, it's going to be a very important video. Whoever got Moca ID, they must have come to this Mocana, that's MOCAVERSE, and when you come to this Explode mission in Pixels, you can see this mission is complete and one favor mission was going on, that was also complete. Another skill mission is completed, it's no more live. Now you can see craft stars mission, that is live, and cosmic alchemist, this is cosmic alchemist mission. Something is happening. Yeah, okay. uh, it's been clicked now. Cosmic Alchemist has have been started on 22nd of December and will be running till 12th of January. Leaderboard challenge, you can check out these leaderboards. Number of Mocha stars 8, 7, all those are given, that who has got who how many stars. But before that, we must see the rewards. First prize will be realm point 450. That will be important, but that is not much important in front of Mocha NFT, that you will get a huge Mocha NFT, and it will be, you know that Mocha NFT is very costly. Another second to 10th prize is farmland. So 9 players will be eligible to get farmland, and you know the price of the farmlands. 11 to 100th, that means 90 players will get bonus reward pool, will be eligible to get into bonus reward pool, and another 900 player will be eligible to get another bonus reward pool. And apart from that, 1000 who is more than 1000, means 1001, they will get realm point 80. Okay, and bonus reward pool, in bonus reward pool you can see that farmland, one farmland is there, pixel pet, number of four numbers, pixel pets will be there, and lucky nucleus 25, that will be there in the prize pool. Okay, now you come here to see the requirements. Have Mocha ID, have a pixel account, completed enter the world of pixels mission, crafted 3 or more Mocha stars during the activation period, right? 3 or more Mocha stars you have to craft, right? Now I will explore the Mocaverse and check out. You can see I have done nothing so far. This is for the first time I am playing in front of you, so this will be live version. No star is available to me so far. So you have to come here and let's come to batteries. Okay, 9 Mocha battery. After you got 9 Mocha battery, you will be able to come here again tomorrow. Okay, you have to, you may come here once a day, and that will be 24 hours later. Fine. Then after collecting those battery, you will come here and insert battery. So a must collect daily resource for your cosmic crafting journey. Insert to claw machine and collect key resource. Number 1, clawing. Let's wait for a while. Collect prize. One new coin. Nice. Uh, Gleaming coin dropped by the Mocha claw machine. Key ingredients to craft Capino, CN. Okay, I'll show what we have to do. So before that, I must claim as much as possible, but I cannot claim that many items because I don't have that much space. Collect price. Oh, sorry. Yeah. One neo coin. Nice. Two neo coin I got. Now for the third time. Clawing. Collect price. One Capino. Nice. One Angel Aura. Another one I can only collect. One neo coin. Okay, fine. Another one I can collect because one space is there. One Angel Aura. Fine. Let's check out that if I can use 9 batteries or I cannot use those batteries. And after using those, one Connexa, I guess if this time a new thing came up, then I won't be able to accommodate in my list. No inventory space. Okay, no problem. Let's come here and check out what we can do. We have to click here. You can see these are the charts, but I guess, yeah, click to chemistry. Yes, you have to click all the, you have to craft basically all the items, and you can see one CN Capino is there, one Connexa I'm having, but I am not having any Dreamix as well as Builda. Okay, so I cannot create any Ignite, Angelite. Okay, this one is also Angelite crafting thing, but I don't have those ingredients. This build thing I am having one clay, one construction powder, one wax builder block. I'm not having. This is another version of builder. You can do that. Capino, Capnio is another version, and another time you can have one next neo coin. What I am having three, one explosive and one ironite bar. I can craft ironite bar, but explosive I cannot craft right now. That I guess that required level 5. Connexa I may not be able to create right now. This thing I can create sharp nail, silk fiber also I can craft, but connector crystal I don't have. Dreamix, you can read out this, and another is Dreamix version. Okay, inventory is full, no problem. After that, this is not opening. Oh, these are the things. If you have all the things crafted, then you can come here and click the Mocha star. For Mocha star, you check it carefully. You have one Dreamix, one Capino, one Connexa, one Builda, and one Angelite. So, whenever you will be able to craft all these things, you will be able to craft Mocha Star, right? So, right now, I am lagging off Dreamix, Angelite, and builder. Let's do one thing. I will go to Terravilla. Here, drunken goose. Okay. Just I will store here some things. If I, yeah, um, I can store this one, and this one. So there is enough space, and I'll go back to MOCAVERSE once again and check out if I get anything new. Let's get into it. Okay, one important point I have left, I've forgotten to share with you. That is, every time you will give your batteries here, or every time you will craft something, you will lose some energy. So collect price. Let's see. One builder block, nice. And the last one, last battery, I'm inserting and waiting for the price. Neocoin. Okay, 4 neocoin I have got. Now I have to find out if I can make anything, because one builder block I have found. Now out of those things, yes, this builder block I have found, but I have to find one wax and one construction powder. Okay, this sap, really sticky stuff from sticks, and a small luck potion. This is interesting one because I have not fulfilled any of these, so eventually I couldn't craft anything so far. So basically, there are opportunities to find out those things every day, and at the end of the game, means till 12th January, you have time to craft Mocha star, and the number of stars you can craft, you will be eligible to come into that leaderboard. So if you wish to spend your energies in this for that huge prize, this is really huge prize, you can't avoid this prize, because this is tough to get into 10 top 10. Let's check out, we can check out the leaderboard. Okay, you can see number 100, the leaderboard in the player is who is at number 100 has crafted 5 stars already. So you have to craft at least 6 at the end of the game, or maybe more, because they are doing for last 2 days. I am a bit late means actually it has came yesterday, and today is 23rd, means you can say today itself it has came in according to the world time UTC. Say for it has came yesterday, and today is one day has gone, so I have missed only a single chance. But they have crafted 7 8 stars already. How they could, I don't have any idea, because they were probably they had those ingredients already so that they could craft it easily at the beginning. But I don't have that ingredients right now. I have to collect those. Here you can see all the always. Here you can also see the leaderboards. So yes, of 10. So top 100 will be always in the leaderboard, and you can check out anytime you wish. And the number one, who Spencil, has 8 Mocha stars already. So you got the idea how to craft your Mocha star. That's all, my friends. I wish to share the mechanism. Hopefully you got all the process what I wanted to share, and you can start crafting your stars. Wish you all the very best, and hopefully you all will be coming in top 100. And if any one of you are having any star, please let me know in the comment. I don't have any star yet, but if you have, please don't forget to let me know. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you will smack the like button and share with your pixel friends. Thank you. See you soon.